Hello guys, good morning. Napakadilim. It's so dark. My God. So now guys, good morning Philippines. Good morning all over the world. So now, I'm just now finished my shower and then I'm waiting. I'm still waiting my boss when he called me. Yes, guys. Because I am not go there without anything. Hi guys. My hair some dry. What's this? Oh my god, my sister is just moss. I just go. Guys, some people want abort her baby, but some people want baby, some people don't like a baby, don't like baby. Oh my God, what kind of Lord? I hope I have also, because my daughter is only one, so I want give her a sister or brother, but until now nothing. Lord, what happened in this world? My God. So now guys, I'm chatting to my sister about my brother because my brother, I think her girlfriend is pregnant, uh, and then yeah, and then I said, why not go to my father place? Yes, because if this kind of girl like not like her ex before, so why not? I can I don't want my brother become happy, and I don't want my brother become stable with her own family. Yeah, because her parents is don't like to my brother because my brother is poor like that. So that's why. So I'm sad to my side because why this kind of people like that. But her ex is not so much rich. Just yeah, I know about her ex because before I stayed the the place of her ex before. Yeah, so I know about that. But now, I'm so sad for my brother. So now, guys, I need bye bye. Alapis! Please support my YouTube channel and please subscribe and like. Bye bye!